Face.
And
Neck.
eyeball.
Eyeball.
It's a small.
Yeah, it's so small, the eyeball. Nose. A mouth. How about his nose? Oh.
Learning my
Oh, where is it? Ear.
Wait, here.
Ang lakas ng impact nakatagilid. Lumukso ako doon sa tubig. At tinignan ko, hindi
His body.
patay na siya doon sa lalim. Wala nang malay.
What is that? What is that? Huh, Dede?
Papa mo.
Papa's heart ka, no? This is Papa's heart. And what is that? Is his tummy?
May isa, nalunod.
Papa,
Tapos to,
look at.
The big tummy?
Oh, no.
Oh, what? It's his legs.
Maybe Papa looks like Mingo.
Mingo? Look like Mingo?
Maybe Papa looks like a giraffe.
Oh, he look like a giraffe. Oh, draw is Papa's sleeper. Okay. Where is his arms?
Like giraffe don't have arms.
I sorry, giraffe don't have arms. Sorry. Have leg only. Where is his hair?
Safe po yung pag-dive sa mga cliff na ganito.
Ah, look like that. Okay.
As simple as pwedeng gamis lang o pwedeng pasalang. Once as mabali ang kanong buto, pwede mo ito
Like
matay.
this.
Look like that, the hair of Papa? Siya nagkabo ni Papa na di. Susunod ang tubot. Ah.
ang magre-rescue ay talaga.
At least nagkastan, no? Tatakit kasi.
Baba.
Kailangan po
Baba.
yung biktima